assassini!
Delinquenti sono! Delinquenti sono! Sono dei delinquenti!
Ma no! Non è che porta via la casa il sofare! Madonna!
Emergency services are working around the clock to provide assistance to those affected by the flood. Italian Prime Minister Draghi has declared a state of emergency in the affected regions and has pledged to provide financial aid to those affected. Italy has been hit by severe flooding in recent days, causing widespread damage and disruption across the country. Heavy rainfall and melting snow have led to rivers overflowing their banks, inundating homes and businesses and forcing thousands to evacuate. The worst affected areas are in the north of the country, where rivers such as the Po and the Adige have burst their banks, submerging entire town and village. The city of Venice has also been affected, with the famous St. Mark's Square and the surrounding areas underwater. The flooding has also caused significant damage to Italy's infrastructure, including roads, bridges and railway lines. This has led to travel disruption and delays, with many people stranded in their homes or unable to reach their destinations.
Ma sta sotto?
Che cazzo se ne fa?